Hello! In this video, we will show how to use Modbus TCP communication. This is the DigiRail NXprog. It has available several inputs and outputs, and the connection for programming is via this USB port. Here on the bottom, we have the power supply connection, RS485 interface, and the Ethernet connector. Through this interface, we will read and write in Modbus registers. So, let's connect an Ethernet cable and the USB cable to begin with the application setup programming. Now, let's install the Arduino application example. Please go to Modbus website, choose Product, I/O Modules, search for the DigiRail NXprog and click on it. This is the DigiRail NXprog page. All related documentation is on the bottom. Here is the user manual for reference and the configuration software. Click to download it. To this application, we will need to configure DigiRail NXprog. The Arduino application example is here, Read Write Modbus TCP. Click on it to download the file. Both are zip files. You should extract it to the folder you choose. Open the folder you extracted the files, install an experience software, select the language, finish to run an experience. Go to Configure, Create Configuration, select DigiRail NXprog model, in our case is a DO model. After that, go to Communication, Ethernet, and enable the Ethernet interface. Configure an IP address available in your network. Fill the other parameters and apply the configuration in DigiRail NXprog. So now the device is configured. The next step is open the Arduino application. Go to the folder that you extract the application, double-click on Read Write Modbus TCP.ino sketch file, and Arduino IDE will open the sketch. This is the code. Let's take a look. This is the function that pre-configured the LED status. This other function initializes the registers 400 and 401. And in the application, this is the function that reads the value of the register 400. This is the function that increments a counter in register 401 every time that a different number is written. And here we have the message that is shown on the console. Let's compile it to check integrity. This is the message of compiling done successfully. Now let's check the COM port. It is OK. Let's execute and load the application to DigiRail NXprog and open the console. Now the program was already uploaded and DigiRail NXprog is already running it. We are using a software to communicate with DigiRail NXprog via Ethernet. Through this software, we can configure the Modbus TCP parameters to communicate directly with an NXprog. So, we will configure the same IP address of DigiRail NXprog and select just the register from 400 to 401. I will write a number in the register 400, and this number should be shown on the console. Writing the number 10, the number 10 is shown on the console, and the counter increments. If I write the number 20, the same thing will happen. Number 20 on the console and the counter in 2. Just one more time, number 1 on Modbus poll. And number 1 here and the counter on 3. That's it, so easy! Thanks for watching!